Welcome to Conic fillet tutorial. Let's start here by activating fillet tool. Conic fillet can be applied under constant fillet size, variable fillet size, and face fillet. In this tutorial, we're going to look at constant size. Either item of fillet, I'm going to select this edge. Let's scroll down. And under fillet parameter we have drop down menu circular fillet, conic fillet, and conic radius. Let's make it 30 millimeters. Circular profile does basically regular fillet. Let's select circular row, and down below we need specify row value. Let me rotate my model a little bit to be more easy to understand where its raw value come from. If we create line between these 2 points, distance between this line and corner will basically equal to 1. And if its raw value more than 0.5, we basically dealing with hyperbole. And of course, if raw value infinitely close to 1, we basically dealing with sharp corner. But here value can be between 0.05 and 0.95. Now, if raw value equal to 0.5, tap to register, we working with parabola. If raw value less than 0.5, we effectively working with ellipse. And of course, if raw value infinitely close to 0, we basically dealing with chamfer. Now, second options we have here, conic radius. Basically, shape of our corner defined here by 2 circles. And once again, if shape of radius of second circle infinitely small, we effectively dealing with sharp corner. Let's make it 10 millimeters and let's accept. To just demonstrate how you get this shape, let's create sketch. 3-point circle, first point, second point, and point number 3. Let's deselect everything. Now I'm going to select circle and this edge, apply tangent relation. Sketch is fully defined, and of course if we apply dimension to this circle, it's going to be 60 millimeters. Make dimension drawing, click OK. Here it's our first circle. And let's create second circle. Smart dimension. 45 degrees angle. Click accept. And let's create here second circle. Center coincident to this construction line. Smart dimension. Diameter it's 10 millimeters. Tap to register. Select circle and this edge, tangent relation, click accept, and let's exit the sketch. Let's switch to second SolidWorks document, press Ctrl Tab. Now here I have cone and I sliced this with 4 planes. First shape we end up with here is circle. Second shape here is ellipse. Shape number 3 is parabola, and last shape here is hyperbola. And this concludes conic fillet tutorial.